Kodak Black's homie claimed Drake can't come to the projects unless he flies in on a helicopter.
You here, baby love? Yeah. You funny? She said she wanted to meet Lil RT. Yeah. She like, you know Castanet? I like, yeah. She like, you know Lil RT? I like, yeah. She like, I want to meet him. Which one? Which one you want to meet?
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I'm gonna fuck around. I'm gonna fuck around send that shit. Send one of them Drake songs, Drake songs to you for you to send an 80. Okay, you can play.
All right, got you. I got you.
Yeah. That bitch so gas, bro. That shit so gas on me. You ain't like we put it right. Yeah, shit, we lit. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Drake, you can't come to the projects if you ain't coming in no helicopter. Straight up. What you talking about? Wake this shit up. Yeah, got this shit on lock. Straight up. Hey, Drake, when you land, I might let you land in. I might let you land right here. I might let you land right here. Which circle you want to land in, Drake? Which circle you want to land in? What you talking about? Talking about I ain't got no helicopter drop. I ain't got no helicopter drop. Who ain't got no helicopter drop? Yeah, ain't no other that got it like that. I got spaces. Find out about me. Find out about me. Find out about me. Hey Drake, when you come through, come right.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.